Hello guys, this one is 2020 Escape all-wheel drive fault message on dash, and then advanced traction message on dash, and then even pre-collision warning messages on dash. Now customer came here. We usually check the first what code in present module, and I hook up the FDRS scanner, and it's showing the AWD all-wheel drive module. It shows gray color. It means all-wheel drive does not communicate with the scanner. All-wheel drive module located under the passenger side floor mat. I removed passenger side seat and a floor mat and even step side cover, and then take out the cover and lift up the cover, and then look at that. This one is all-wheel drive module. Module is mounted with a 210mm nut. Without removing whole floor mat like this, you guys can cut them out the floor mat slightly. Can access a small size ratchet or 10mm. You can access the mount nut and take out the all-wheel drive module. Release the rocking tab gently and then slide our rocking handle, and then it's showing a all-wheel drive module connector. I attached the picture this all-wheel drive module connector and even wire diagram pins. Breathing the air or electric ratchet much faster than hand ratchet. I take out nut or outer side module mount nut, and then further inside it is hard to get in air or electric ratchet. I'm using just a hand ratchet, and then take 10mm mount nut. Yeah, as much can easy. Now I take them two mount nut, and then now finally get the all-wheel drive module right there. So this one is module is failure. Ford says incorrect transmitter was installed. So now if I write down the new parts number, it changed new module in it. Install new module onto the stud, and then mount two nuts, and then connect to the electric all-wheel drive module connector. It's not the first time they placed the all-wheel drive module. First I got this symptom of vehicle or many kind of warning message on dash. I found a module problem. Now it's further on to the recall, kind of recall 29B19 customer service satisfaction program. It was installed bad transistor, and then module failure so much fast. And then now showing module to the 12 volt is good, and then ground is good. You guys replace this pin connector, and then power ground, and 8-9 pins, and communication to the communication is good. You should change all-wheel drive module. After installation new module, we needed to PMI installation new module, programming module installation with a code scanner. After the PMI installation, also need active torque coupling configuration. When configuration, it needed active torque coupling 16-digit number is located side of the rear differential case, and then auto finished PMI, and then torque coupling configuration, and then now I road test, and now everything is fine, nothing anymore than any warning light. Its driving is good, and no more all-wheel drive any other warning light. Thank you for watching.